There's a quick tutorial on how to remove the ECU from a 335 E90, same as E92. The cowl is already removed on this, which should probably be the easiest step. Second step is you do have these locks that you have to turn to the unlock position. That was already unlocked. And then finally you're gonna have side locks. You're gonna have these side locks. They go into these holes here. In order to get them off, you simply have to pinch it outwards on the bottom. You'll see the clip that it holds onto here. Pinch it outwards and then pull up. Either with a screwdriver or anything. There's two of those. See, that one's already pulled up this side, but that's how you secure it. So if you get these two locks off, this one's weird because this one actually says, well, yeah, there you go, that makes sense. That's unlocked. And locked is on the left side. So make sure those are good. Give it a tug. You'll probably be stuck with these at the end. So once that's out of the way, simply pull up. It's a little rustling trying to get. Then your ECU is basically the only computer in here. I don't know what this stuff is for. I hope nothing's missing, but this is your ECU. And to remove this, you have two slider tabs. The more you pull them out, the higher the connector actually goes. So let's say I was gonna put this away, then I'll just push it back in and lock it back. But since I'm taking it out, I'm gonna pull it out, and that raises it up. Be careful not to snag any wires on your way out. Boom. You got one connector. So let's get that out of the way. And now this looks to be maybe yeah, this is harder, so it wouldn't hurt to use something to pry. So let's put it in here. Quick, just like that. Pry it open. And then it'll probably be a whole lot easier with two hands, but for video purposes, yeah, so it's still tight in there. And again, this is for the MOSFET issue that I'm taking this ECU out to be shipped. Okay. I just kind of got to give it like a. Sorry, camera's so shitty right now. There we go. Just push that bitch all the way out there. And this shit should come. Nope, a little more. There it goes. Alright, now that should bring it right out. Perfect. Okay, so you got this out the way. Be careful. Once you got it up, you can kind of put these tabs back in to give it more space. Which is there for that. And yeah, too. So, there you go. And now you're gonna have these little clips here. You're gonna have to pry open while you pull the ECU. So crucial step. If you have bungee cords, don't want to hurt to use those probably. I'm just gonna stick these bad boys here. Tuck these in right there. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Alright, so once you're in here, it's kind of the trick, you know. You got these. Yep, there's none on the other side, so I recommend you hold the chisel down or whatever you use, a screwdriver. Give it that initial tug, and it should slide up from there. Yep. So here it comes. Check the wiring, like I said. Check here. See, I'm stuck right here. The wires. Okay. That's how you get that bad boy out. These things are going off to be shipped off to repair. I can provide a link if anybody has issues. A lot of the codes you're gonna get is like a 30 BA or 30 BB, which is like DME failure, and some misfire codes. So that always points to this. So I'll report back with that.